Hi kids, welcome to Spelling by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
Spell the occupation. Are you ready, kids?
Read the hint and guess the occupation.
Then choose the correct spelling. Let's start. Question 1. This person helps sick people feel better. Choose the correct word. A. D-O-C-T-E-R. B. D-O-C-T-O-R. The correct answer is doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Question 2. This person teaches children in school. Choose the correct word. A. T-E-A-C-H-A-R. B. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. The correct answer is teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Question 3. This person keeps our city safe and catches criminals. Choose the correct word. A. P-O-L-I-C-E. B. P-O-L-I-C-E. The correct answer is police. P-O-L-I-C-E. Now please subscribe the channel. Question 4. This person drives a big red truck and puts out fires. A. F-I-R-E-F-I-G-H-T-E-R. B. F-I-R-E-F-I-T-E-R. The correct answer is firefighter. F-I-R-E-F-I-G-H-T-E-R. Question 5. This person delivers letters and packages to your house. Choose the correct word. A. M-A-L-E-M-A-N. B. M-A-I-L-M-A-N. The correct answer is mailman. M-A-I-L-M-A-N. Question 6. This person flies airplanes. Choose the correct word. A. P-I-L-O-T. B. P-Y-L-O-T. The correct answer is pilot. P-I-L-O-T. Hey superstar, want to show how fast you can read? Ask Mama or Papa to book your reading challenge below. Fun activity time.
I go ding-dong and bring letters. Who am I? Yes, mailman. Now everyone say ding-dong loudly. Question 7. This person cooks delicious food in restaurants. Choose the correct word. A. C-H-E-F. B. S-H-E-F. The correct answer is chef. C-H-E-F. Question 8. This person fixes broken pipes and water leaks. Choose the correct word. A. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. B. P-L-U-M-M-E-R. The correct answer is plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. Question 9. This person takes care of animals. Choose the correct word. A. V-E-T-E-R-I-N-A-R-I-A-N. B. V-E-T-E-R-N-A-R-I-A-N. The correct answer is veterinarian. V-E-T-E-R-I-N-A-R-I-A-N. Fun activity time. Pretend you are a bus driver. All aboard. Turn your steering wheel. Left, right. Beep, beep. Great job! Free one-on-one reading check. Know your child's reading level in just 30 minutes. Click link in description. Question 10. This person drives children to school every morning. Choose the correct word. A. B-U-S-D-R-I-V-A-R. B. B-U-S-D-R-I-V-E-R. The correct answer is Bus driver. Busdriver.
Question 11. This person builds houses and buildings. Choose the correct word. A. Builder. B. Bildar. The correct answer is builder. Builder. Question 12. This person cuts hair at a salon or barber shop. Choose the correct word. A. Barber. B. Barbor. The correct answer is barber. Barber. Question 13. This person grows fruits and vegetables on a farm. Choose the correct word. A. Farmer. B. Farmer. The correct answer is farmer. Farmer. Question 14. This person helps people when they are sick or injured in the hospital. Choose the correct word. A. Nurse. B. Nurse. The correct answer is nurse. Nurse. Final challenge. Question 15. This person designs and draws buildings and houses. Choose the correct word. A. Architect. B. Arkitect. The correct answer is architect. Architect. Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Awesome job, kids! If you had fun, like the video, and for more videos like this, subscribe the channel.
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.